Hi, my name is Rajiv Singh, Head of Manufacturing Center of Excellence DACH. Today I want to talk about digital continuity with a focus in manufacturing. We see that manufacturers are in need of technological innovations to be more lean and efficient. Why waste money? Why not use innovative tools to become more profitable? Take the opportunity to focus on reducing costs, especially in difficult days. TECHNIA has taken this topic very seriously and offers a package to give the power immediately to manufacturers to collaborate effectively, eliminate bottlenecks, reduce costs, make better decisions, increase efficiency. Let me show you our solution. Behind me, you can see a factory which has implemented important steps towards digital value chain. With the help of TECHNIA and the manufacturing package, you can become a smart factory. Let us have a look into the topic of business platform, manufacturing BOM, work instructions, advanced planning and scheduling, IIOT collaboration, and lean tools. The 3D Experience platform provides intuitive navigational access to all Dassault Systems apps, including social and collaborative apps, 3D modeling apps, content and simulation, manufacturing apps. The 3D Experience platform offers functionality directly out of the box. You have the ability to create online, internal and external social communities. Through these communities, you can connect people from your business ecosystems, marketing, sales, designers, shop floor, or external agencies and suppliers. You can dramatically increase collaboration with version control of any media with simple check-in and check-out capabilities. Effective task management enables you to maximize efficiency and helps ensure your projects complete on time. The 3D Experience platform provides a simple yet powerful app that facilitates your organizations of tasks on a responsive Kanban board. Use this to easily create personal to-do lists as well as team tasks. Add important details to the task. Estimated finish dates and duration. Assigning and notifying users is automated. Add attachments and upload files from your device. By default, tasks are organized by status. Change the view to maturity or due date to gain a clear understanding where your attention is most needed. In these different views, drag and drop tasks to automatically update their properties. Improve your personal and collaborative task management efforts. Delmia Virtual Build Solution delivers a 3D experience to assembly planners and design for manufacturing and assembly specialists to graphically validate and document the assembly process to accelerate both the time to launch and time to volume. The manufacturing assembly structure review in 3D gives a first view of how the product will be built and helps identify possible assembly challenges. The process plan visualization in 3D illustrates all the details of the assembly sequence and makes it very easy to detect and eliminate assembly problems before any physical prototype is created. Contrast this intuitive and visual approach with the traditional alphanumeric assembly planning done by most companies today. With such legacy tool, planners spend most of the time updating documents with the latest engineering changes instead of investing to validate and optimize the assembly plan. Visualization of the virtual build and the context of the 3D factory layout enables the planner the workplace layout or product orientation in order to improve worker efficiency and safety. For further use, you can document the assembly process and provide clear work instructions in the shop floor. Let us have a look how the work instruction can be displayed to the shop floor via tablet or mobile app, and we can get the feedback of the shop floor workers digitally. We can also see the condition monitoring of the connected machines, and if required, we can design digital services like predictive maintenance, based on the data we receive. You can be the administrator of your data and decide which data is relevant for transmission. Before we come to the execution of manufacturing, we need to focus on production planning. Many manufacturers face issues like they have limitations in the ERP environment, lack of interface in ERP, MES or PLM. The reliance is on Excel spreadsheets for critical process planning. The main benefits of using Dalmia Automns is the reduction in stock. This benefit applies to both work in progress inventory and finished goods inventory. Next advantage is the productivity increase. Machine capacity utilization is increased and workforce productivity is improved by reducing idle times. Better responsiveness. By allowing proactive responses to fluctuations and unforeseen changes, customer expectations can be better managed. This is supported by what-if simulations and automated powerful algorithm engines. Digitalized lean practice in the shop floor. Thanks to a visual, intuitive and playful interface. 3D Lean is the 3D experience to easily support your lean operational meetings, like stand-up flush 5 meetings, problem-solving meetings, and management meetings. Deliver full empowerment of your team and transform data into action. Important for your team leader is the preparation phase. With the configuration agility, he can meet all the needs of his team. He can configure his dashboards, KPIs, action logs, sketches, web pages, videos. In the communication area, he will lead the meeting. The execution will be more efficient. This will help the team to have a better communication. With this lean tool, we can check who is in, dispatch operators to the workstations, update KPIs, and create action sticky notes, manage tasks, and define the owners. In the problem-solving meetings, we report issues, attach action to issues, share actions across the departments, mobilize the team to detect and communicate issues, create digital continuity across organizational barriers. Coming from the design side, take an important step into the manufacturing area. Make your digital continuity possible. If you like to have a validated product structure, an MBOM, optimized planning, APS, using digital lean tools, and be transparent and controllable with IIOT, contact us and get more information about our solutions and customized offerings. Thank you very much.